What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. Welcome back to another video. In this one, I want to talk to you about my top 3 altcoins that I have for this bull run. And this tends to change as we see, things that are developing and things that I buy and newer things that come into my mind about a certain project, right? And I've always had a strong feeling for basically all of these projects. However, there was one that was more in like a day trading, like swing trading, like mood with until we saw some clarity. And I really didn't get that clarity until I decided to search for it. So if you guys could, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out any of the links that are down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to follow me on Twitter, follow me on Patreon, those links are in the description. Now, also, don't forget about my link for Margex. If you guys want to trade XRP at a 50x leverage, BTC at 100x leverage, or Ethereum at 100x leverage, feel free to check out those links down below for Margex. It is honestly a very good platform. I've had a ton of success and I've been able to gain a lot of XRP, of Solana, of AVAX, of just so many different plays. So again, feel free to check out that link down there. But I like to talk about my plays, my top altcoins, right? The ones that I'm purchasing. Now, this is not necessarily to get you to go out and buy those positions. This is just to tell you what my feelings are, right? Speak my mind to everybody that could listen to me and that would listen to me. And it's not necessarily saying that, hey, listen to me so you could buy that so that you can be as wealthy as I plan to be. No, I don't expect that. I want you guys to research everything for yourself. And if you find an opportunity, if you find value within it, then you go ahead and purchase those positions. But without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. I think you can see my top positions that I'm holding within my Coinbase assets, and you're going to be able to see the full breakdown, of that. And let's start with XRP. Let's start with the one that everybody knows that I've talked about a lot of recently. XRP, I currently hold about $21,000 or $22,000 of. Let me go ahead and refresh this. But I hold about $21,000 or $22,000 of. And it's currently sitting at a price of 62 cents. Now, this is something that I truly believe is going to be very impactful, not only in the 2024, 2025, bull market, but, seeing it beyond that, right? Where it has an impact on the way we transact. I feel like it's going to be huge, just from my opinion here. And all of the other price predictions that I see are out there are very, very positive on where this will go. Now, you do have the select few of people that only believe XRP will stay at these values, and it's kind of old news in a way, and it just doesn't see the same level of traction that it did before. Understand that it still sees, billions of dollars of volume per month. I mean, even damn near hundreds of billions of dollars if you get to a good month for XRP. And just imagine when we see in the bull market, we're going to see this thing really push once we fully get legal clarity there. So again, I hold about 35,000 XRP, which is $22,000 worth of XRP. And I see a large future, a lot of potential with this play. Now, another play that I like to talk about frequently, actually, not more recently, but I have talked about a lot on this channel, was Kronos coin. And Kronos coin, has a lot of pieces to it, pieces to the puzzle that all come together to show this one picture of a amazing project that can implement itself into a certain sector, a certain area that shows growth for that position, shows a large amount of growth for that position. And if you look at Kronos right now, it's sitting at about 15 cents. It's down 1% today, but we're seeing it at, with how much I'm holding, 20.5 thousand, or sorry, yeah, $20,500, so $20,566.48. You're seeing that the market cap is at a $4 billion market cap with only $14 million worth of volume. This is something that shows a whole different level of strength, not just by transactions, right? Not just by single transactions that happen within it, but also by the amount of hold time that's within it. People are holding this for a longer period of time. And you can see that with the fact that it's worth $4 billion, but then only seeing $14 million worth of volume. The volume to market cap ratio is only 0.35%. So it doesn't have that everyday popularity, everyday push to the overall project when it comes to the volume. But it doesn't mean that it's not valuable, because the typical days of hold time for just on Coinbase is around 120, 130 days. So people are holding it, for damn near half of a year, right? And they're looking for this to not only skyrocket, but also provide them value, in passive income. And they do that, right? With crypto.com and the pieces that are all in the puzzle there, with the staking for the debit cards, staking for other benefits, other staking benefits, and then also the implementation within the exchange, with implementation within the Kronos chain, and maybe even NFTs and all of that stuff. You have all of these different unknowns, as well as things that we do know that can really push this to the next level. So this is why I hold about 135,000 CRO, but that's worth $20,551.50 at the time of recording this video right now. So this is definitely one of my top plays, if not my top play. I did just come out with a video talking about how I'm going to buy a lot of CRO. Any money that I come into that's extra cash that flows in maybe from different passive income sources, I'm going to throw into CRO to see how far and how much we can get there. I would love to have somewhere around 330,000. However, that all comes as I have these certain free cash available, if I do. But right now, 135 still an amazing amount to have. It gets to a level of $1, it's 135,000. But obviously, I see this getting to a higher level than that of around $3. Now, the last play that I want to bring to the table is one that I have been talking about pretty much daily. I don't think I've mentioned it for maybe the last 2 days, but it is a position that I've been heavy on for a while, and I'm glad to be able to see this level of gains, because the two other positions that we've talked about, I'm not really seeing a crazy level of gains from them at the current moment. But what I am seeing a crazy level of gains compared to a lot of other things that I hold is Jasmy Coin. Jasmy Coin is sitting at about 21 or 2.1 cents, 2.2 cents. We see that I have $21,653.26 worth of Jasmy Coin. And you're going to see similarities there, right? It's 2.1, 2.166, and you also have 2.166 basically. What does that mean? That means that I hold a million, right? So $21,656.99 shows that I have a million Jasmy Coin, if you wanted to do the math. I fully plan to have that chance, that opportunity to become a Jasmy Coin millionaire. However, I will take profit on the way up with every position I will. But with this position, I'm up about $18,000 on this play. I invested at 40% of a penny, and now sitting around the 22 or 2.2 cent mark, putting me at $22,000. $4,000 to $22,000, $18,000 that I have worth of a gain. One of my largest gains that I have here by far, and I really believe in this position and exactly what they're doing. They're taking steps to improve their processes, to take steps, improve their use case, and actually give us so much information to what they're planning on doing with a 2024 roadmap, as well as understanding how the lockup is going to be implemented, and when that's going to be implemented, and the different steps they're going to take in order to adhere to that plan is pretty amazing. So I can't wait to see what they do there. But I'm very strong on Jasmy Coin. I believe that's going to go to a level of about $1.50, up to a $50 or $75 billion market cap. And depending on how this is implemented within different partners like Panasonic, I feel as though you're going to have this potentially go a lot further than that if it is implemented the right way. But these are my 3 plays that I feel like are my major plays to talk about, my major plays to that I'm going to see profits out of in this bull run. But honestly, you may have a sleeper play. You may have something that surprises me, like Terra Luna Classic, that truly does, honestly make a ridiculous move with amount of burns and all that stuff, which I do believe it's going to make a ridiculous move. But these are my top plays that I invested a lot of money into. Other plays like Terra Luna Classic, I invested $43 into and turned it into what I turned it into, which is a great story, a great concept, great thing to see. But I feel like the amount that I'm investing into it means a little bit more that I'm putting in to this play. I would have loved to have put so much more into Terra Luna Classic. However, they didn't allow me to do that. Well, my bank didn't allow me to do it. Terra Luna Classic did, but my bank didn't. So anyways, that's a different story. Guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out any of the links that are down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to check out my link for Margex, that link is down there. Don't forget about my CRO link as well. If you sign up for CRO, you can get up to $100. It has changed from $20 to $100 of a referral bonus for me because I'm level 10 in the Crypto.com Rewards Plus program. So feel free to sign up for Crypto.com using my link. You get the best benefits out of any link that's out there because I'm at that level. So if you're thinking of signing up for Crypto.com, definitely use my link. I'm going to get out of here, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.